We're not going to name the company, but we did kind of get like some. It's not anything like super out there that you guys might not already know, but we had a company email us. That's a Prebuilt company about getting a sample, and we really like budget stuff. Matt was like, hey, let us get something like $800 and under. And they basically admitted, like, hey, the market's really effed up right now. We can't really get anything cheap. And sadly, with the new RTX systems, we've been having a big problem with people buying these systems and basically scalping them, like reselling them or using them for mining. Like they openly said, we had to put a limit of, did they say what the limit was? Like, I'm guessing it's one or two.
It might be like one or two systems a person, yeah.
But yeah, basically they said that like mining's that big of an issue that people are buying the new systems like with 3000 series just to scalp them or mine with them.
Yeah,
just crazy.
Yeah, it's interesting that Prebuilt. I mean, to be fair, like a lot of us have said, go buy a Prebuilt now because it's better than building because you can't get a GPU. And the fact that people are buying them in bulk and then flipping them. I mean, I'm interested to see where they're. I mean, they're probably just seeing stuff on the market where people are selling like either the computer without the GPU or something like that. It's probably like their easy fact. Be like, oh yeah, someone's selling without a GPU. They probably.
And that's a big company too, and don't they have multiple like sister or?
I think they
companies?
do. Yeah.
So. And then you tell them what they said about, which actually works good for us, like what we sell, that they recommend.
Oh yeah, they're just recommending going with like APU systems or going with a laptop. I mean, right now it's the best thing. I know there are some options, and we've tried to review as many of the ones that actually are decent for budget-friendly builds. But again, there's some limitations. Like we've checked out HP a lot. Those are good, but they're kind of limiting because they use like proprietary motherboards. You're kind of stuck with what it is. You can't really upgrade it like a system you'd build yourself. Laptops are cool, but again, same thing. You can't upgrade it very well. So APU is still like the best route to go. Upgrade that thing later, slap in a GPU in the market gets better. It's the best option.